If you are going through hell, keep going. Time and money are largely interchangeable terms. Personally, I'm always ready to learn, although I do not always like being taught. Vengeance is the most costly and dissipating of luxuries. Success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. Everyone has his day, and some days last longer than others. All the greatest things are simple, and many can be expressed in a single word: freedom, justice, honor, duty, mercy, hope. Nothing in life is so exhilarating as to be shot at without result. To improve is to change. So to be perfect is to change often. My tastes are simple. I am easily satisfied with the best. Every man should ask himself each day whether he is not too readily accepting negative solutions. All wisdom is not new wisdom. If you destroy a free market, you create a black market. I like pigs. Dogs look up to us. Cats look down on us. Pigs treat us as equals. All I can say is that I have taken more out of alcohol than alcohol has taken out of me. When the eagles are silent, the parrots begin to jabber. In finance, everything that is agreeable is unsound, and everything that is sound is disagreeable. The greatest lesson in life is to know that even fools are right sometimes. You have enemies? Good. That means you've stood up for something in your life.